we? Okay, Bubba, how you going? Where are we, Bubba?
We are at SMCT Dasmariñas. You show SMCT Dasmariñas in the Philippines.
What's called? SM City.
Dasmariñas. So this is one of the biggest malls in the Philippines.
Okay.
SM.
Yeah.
SM, you can find it in any town here in the Philippines mostly. It's a mall in the Philippines.
Okay, Bubba, let's go and check it out. We're going to check it out. Yeah, okay. G'day guys, Jim coming at you here, the bus stop here at the S&M shopping centre. Check out these old buses here. This one's got CB radios as well. That's definitely a CB radio. Let's have a look to see if it's got the CB radio in there. No, CB radio? CB radio. CB radio. Hello. Is that a CB radio? CB radio. Huh? This guy. Check out this guy's antenna. Yeah. Has it got CB radio? It's going to, isn't it? Oh, got CB? Don't know. It's got the antennas on there. CB radio. Radio. Passenger Jeep. Look at them all here. Wow. There's quite a few here. Yeah. What? Are they CB radio antennas?
Huh?
These CB radio antennas, these ones CB radio. They look like CB radio, but I can't see CB radio in there. But yeah, there's quite a few of them. It's really old school. It's really cool. And they're ready to go too, so be careful. They're all down there. Okay. So, pretty cool. Check the antenna out here. It's on here. This guy's going. There you go, old school. Still getting around old school. And they're still using cash as well. Cash is king here in the Philippines. Cash is king. They're all ready to go. Yeah, Australia. How you going, mate? Yeah. That's really cool. And they really, some of them, it sounds like they got like hot dogs exhaust on them. Hot dog exhaust. This guy here, he's driving. There's a bus. You couldn't fit any more in there either. Have a look. See, it's full as chockers there, but obviously the shopping centre. Right, Bubba, I think Bubba wants to get a drink. So we're back here again at the S&M, and we'll do some more shopping. So that's cool, all the bikes and that. It's really old school, so it's probably not worried about the pollution, for sure. Okay, so let's do some more shopping. It's like, finally made it here in the afternoon. I think it's 2 or 3 o'clock, I think. Happy holidays, Bubba. Happy holidays, Bubba.
Happy holiday.
Bubba having a happy holiday?
Yes. Happy holidays.
Happy holiday, Bubba. What's your step, Bubba? So Bubba wants to drink. Are we going to get a coffee? I've got to check the bags. Okay. So I don't know if I was recording on the last one, but let me go back again to see. Alrighty, this is the shopping centre, and pretty much shopping centres all the same around the world. It's shakies, but the only difference is you got a lot more different variety of shops here. A lot more variety. That's what I like about it. I don't know if I was recording there, Bubba. Oh. So you can bring a dog. Bring a dog to the shopping centre. Yeah, I think Bubba's scared of dogs. Another dog over there. Another dog. Dog in the shopping centre. I know you can bring dogs into hardwares, but they're trying to get rid of it. Shakies. Shakies over there. Alright, this is really so much variety. Even got a Kenny Rogers Steakhouse. Kenny Rogers up here. It's variety here. So I just like how there's so many different shops that we don't have in Australia. Gringo chicken ribs, friends. Still Christmas. Still Christmas. Misa. Misa there. Filipino love their food. Filipino love their food. This one's Goldilocks. Huh? Goldilocks. McDonald's everywhere. McDonald's. Crocs. Crocs. Happy holidays. Happy holidays, Baba. Maybe I was recording there, Baba. The buses. Happy holiday, Baba. Baba? Did you get your hand wipes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Huh?
The people are many, right?
Many people, yeah, many people, Baba. A lot of people. Everyone's shopping to the dropping. Many, many. It's my first time in the Philippines, first time in these big shopping malls. The malls all over the place, pretty much. There's Jollibee. Oh, Jollibee. Jollibee's good. They were there last night, Bubba. Jollibee. Remember last night, Jollibee, Bubba? Bubba know where she's going? Follow Bubba. And we had Greenwich, we had that as well. Greenwich. There's Greenwich there. That was quite nice. Really good pizza, beautiful pizzas there. This guy's in front's got his Christmas decorations. Doesn't want to let go of Christmas. There's down there, nice view. Ooh. 3 levels. 3 levels, Bubba. This is Filipino Central Shopping Centre. Classic Savoury. What's those rides going? I think on level 1 had rides as well. Watsons are in Singapore. Watsons in Singapore. So, there's Pizza Hut there. Sunny's. Right, so think about when I go to the mall. Crocs. Wow, Bubba, look at that. Wow, it's got a train in there, Bubba.
Yeah.
There's a train in there. It goes way down there too. Yeah. Crocs. I think I'll film in there. Way down there. We'll go in there. We'll just have a look. Stay there, Bubba. See, look at this. Come as you are. Come as you are. It's good. It's good. Store. What's down there? Food. Food court. Say it again, Bubba.
When you have your phone and the
Phone and camera.
You 1,260 pesos.
Okay.
You can this one you put your when you travel yes, camera only this
Okay.
something like this one.
Okay, we'll try it. Put it on. 9:45. Alright guys, Jim coming at you here, and it is now, we got here at the shopping centre about 1:45, and then we looked at we bought a bag and some perfume, and we bought a bit of stuff, and now I had a facial here, let's face it, and I'm waiting for Bubba to come out. I've had a facial as well, Cost me $11.50. I only did a facial because Bubba was in there for a while. She goes, you got to get a facial, otherwise I'll be out here shopping. So I'm still waiting for Bubba to come back in. When Bubba comes back in, and Bubba comes back out again, we can go. It's been a big day. I'm going to go look at the Christmas decorations over here. So we'll just go and have a look at the Christmas decorations. This guy's looking at me. Probably getting into trouble for filming here. So we'll just go and look at these Christmas decorations. So, okay, just going to get this over here, put this down here. Right. How does that look? Oh, there you go. And that's not quite that good. Not bad here. What does that look like? Alright guys, so I'm just waiting for Bubba. Like I said, it was okay, so it's about 1:45 when we got here, and now it is 9:30. No, it's only 10 o'clock, and I think my dear will be coming out soon, and it's hard to talk with this background music. Happy Holidays 2023, S&M City, Dasmannaris, I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, it's pretty late at night here. And Christmas decorations are quite good. So there it is over there, where you get your facial. Took us a while to even get to the second floor, so just wait for Bubba to come out and see how she went. But it's been a big day here, big day. All right, let's wait for Bubba. All right, so there's my dear. I don't know what she's had done, but she's had a bit done, and she's sitting down now, waiting for her to come out. It's nearly 10 o'clock at night. We had some late nights here shopping, and let's see if Bubba's impressed. Apparently, apparently I can't wash my face until tomorrow morning. So I don't know. I never had this facial before. But I'm just doing it for my dear because she wanted me to have it done. So the first time. Just wait for her to come outside now. Come on, Bubba. Oh, here she comes now. Bubba! Bubba, what happened? What happened, Bubba?
I go for a facial.
Bubba? Huh? Any good, Bubba?
How about
11:30 it was.
you good?
11:30.
How do you feel?
I feel okay. It was 1,000.
1,000. Oh yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That sounds about right.
Yeah.
Do I look any younger? And I can't wash my face until tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Don't wash your face, huh?
Yeah.
You look fresh.
Fresh. I look fresh, though. Huh?
I have wrinkles.
Oh, you don't have wrinkles, Bubba. First facial, Bubba. It's my first facial here in the Philippines, Bubba.
Yes. I have a video of you a bit.
Where? Did you video?
Yeah.
Did you video? We can put that on the video, Bubba.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, did you? You video, you naughty lady. Okay, Bubba, it's still 10 o'clock at night. We've been here a long time.